Hello, I am going to show you how to download any video from any website. First, open your browser. For me, I will go with Google Chrome. Go on the search bar and type Web Store. Then click to the very first link. Then go to the search bar again and type Video Downloader Professional and click the very first link. Then download the extension as shown on the video. After completing installing the extension, now you can download any video from any website. Just visit the website and the extension will detect videos automatically. Then you will choose any video that you want to download. For more helpful tips, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon. For doing that, you are inspiring me to make more useful contents like this. If you have question, let me know in the comment section.